Hi guys, this is Obi Saga. So in this video I'm gonna be telling you everything about Octafx. So I'm showing you how you can register an account to do such things on it so and trade with Octafx and make good money for yourself. So in this video we're covering three topics, which is what is Octafx, how to register an Octafx, and how to deposit and withdraw. So let us get started. Here is the platform. So before you want to go to the website, you have to type www.octafx.com. so you go to the main website, so when you get to the website, this is how it display. So this website here, so show you, so everything is here. Firstly, Octafx is a broker, it's a broker that's licensed to Nigeria, so Nigerians can use it. Then other countries who they're permitted can use it also. So they have a very beautiful things here. So it have been 10 years or more than, so it's a very good company. So it's a broker, it's an Asia broker. So this broker allows Nigerians to trade with them, and they are very fast in deposit and paying you. So when you apply for withdrawal, pay you within 3 hours, 1 hour, they get pay you straight. So verify account, they pay you. So this broker is very trusted, so you can work with them. I refer you can work with them. That's trusted. It's over 10 years, so that trusted. The leverage is 1 to 30. So this website is a very trusted website. So the next thing we're going to do, you have to create account. So you have to create account. So the next thing is how to register on Octafx. So let us register an account for you so that you see how it moves. So first, when you get to this website, so you want to open an account with Octafx, you want to have an account with Octafx and trade with Octafx. So first you want to open account. Click on open account. This is how it displays you. So you see it is more than 6 million traders are using Octafx. So what are you waiting for? Get to Octafx, you see how it moves. So what happens there, you put your first name, your last name, your email, your password, boom. So you see it. I confirm that I'm not a US citizen, resident, and affiliate. So make sure you are not a US. So other country can register on Octafx and trade with them, so they're trusted. So once you get that, you click verified, you sign up. So that is done. That is simple to register. You don't have to do any other work. This is what you're going to do. So you get account registered. So for those that have accounts, so you can simply click on login, put in your email that you used to register the account and your password that you used, and you verified that you are not a robot. So that is it. So I'll show you my personal account that I have already registered. So you see the inner view of it, so you see the inner view of it, so that I can be able to show you how to deposit and withdraw with Octafx. They are very reliable broker, they are trusted. When I mean they are trusted, they are 100% trusted, so use it. So let me show you how you're going to deposit and withdraw. So this is my account. You see, I have already, this is my account. You can see this is my account. So this is my personal account. So let me go to where I perform my personal area. Let me show you how you're going to withdraw and deposit. So if you wanna go to this, so make sure before you deposit on Octafx, before you deposit, make sure your account is verified. You need to verify your account before I will grant you to deposit on them. So you have to get the account verified, like the way it's showing here. See, I'm already verified, so get the account verified before you deposit on them. So now it's very simple to deposit and withdraw, so there's no stress on it. So the website is very super easy for you. The broker is super easy to use. So what's here, just want to click deposit. If you want to deposit, so click deposit. So right here, so you have a very good. So there's no commission when you want to deposit, best exchanging rate, and 50% deposit bonus. So Octafx is very good. So look at it. So Nigeria bankers, so use Nigeria local banks. You can deposit with your normal Nigeria bank. You can deposit with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Scale, and so on and so forth. So you can deposit. So I'll be focusing on this Nigeria local banks. So you click on the Nigeria local bank, so you come to this price, then you put the amount you want to put. This 100,000, this 50,000, this 20,000 naira. So assume you're going for 50,000 naira. So you just put in 50,000 naira and you say 50,000 naira, bam, 50,000 naira. Click continue. So you select the account, your bank account. You select a bank account. Please, I want you to pay attention to this video so that you won't make a mistake while depositing. So as me, I'm using First Bank. I'm using First Bank. So you select First Bank, then you continue. So now you can deposit using your online banking. You can deposit on ATM. You can deposit as cash in bank. So but I recommend you use online banking because it's very fast there. You send them the proof, so it's very fast to use online banking. So now this is the account details they provide me to deposit my money, the 50,000 right here. So and they give me this fixed rate, which is $120, be added to my account for me to be able to use it them and trade, So this is the account, this is the bank account, and this is the GT account that you're going to use for it. So once you got there, before this is very important part, please pay attention. This is very important part. So let me show you. You see, so speed up your request. To do so, fill in already deposit account with your account number. This has payment comment. Use your own account. Please use your own account. Don't use someone's account, because if you use someone's account, they're gonna declare the payment and send you back your money. So please use your own account. Use the account you use. To use your own personal account that has your name. So you understand. Then after you have done the payment to this account, they have provided you to deposit 50,000. After you have done the account, you have done the payment, the deposit. So you came to notify us after transfer. So you click on notify us after transfer. So fine. This First Bank, this is my First Bank account that I normally use to deposit. Account I normally use to deposit here. So it's $50. So the bank, then you come to this place, the bank account number. So your bank account number, this account number here, the First Bank account number, you put it in here. So the day you made the payment, you put it exactly there. So the payment proof, which is the screenshot of it, or the slip that gave to you from your app, so you have to upload it for them to see it. So once you have done that, then you click confirm request. So once you click confirm request, so there we check your payment and credit you, so you have your money in your account for you to be able to trade. So that is super